An outline is a tool to organize your thoughts about a topic or question. Like a graphic organizer, it helps you to visualize your ideas. But unlike graphic organizers, which can quickly become crowded when details or longer thoughts are added, outlines provide a flexibility that easily accommodates multiple main ideas and details, including quotations and longer explanations. An outline is in many ways like a first draft, but outlining helps us to think through the organization and flow of ideas before we go to the trouble of writing. By removing the burden of writing incomplete sentences, constructing effective paragraphs, using transitions, and so on, an outline lets you focus on just the organization of your ideas. For many writers, setting aside the time to outline before writing makes it more likely that your written essay has a structure that a reader will be able to easily follow. And of course, the better a reader can follow your ideas, the more likely it is that your writing will be successful at explaining whatever it is you're writing about. So how do you make an outline? Well, if you're familiar with outlines, you will have noticed that we just made one a moment ago. An outline uses a combination of labels and indentation to show how ideas are organized. First, Roman numerals are used to label the main ideas. Under each main idea, capital letters are indented one level and used to label the supporting ideas. The details or examples that back up each of these ideas are indented an additional line, labeled with the number, and placed under the supporting idea. Lastly, any additional information about a detail or example is indented one more level, labeled with a lowercase letter, and placed under the detail it refers to. Though it might look confusing if you're new to outlining, with a little practice, making one is rather quick and simple. Just remember, use both labels and indentation to show the relative importance of each idea and where it belongs in the structure of the paper. Ideas are labeled in Roman numerals, then capital letters, then numbers, and then lowercase letters to indicate their level of importance. Less important details are indented more so that they fall underneath the ideas they support. Together, this creates an easily readable map that organizes all of your ideas and details before you start writing.